Hello class 6, the topic today which we are going to start is uses of compounds and mixture, page number 51 from the chapter atoms, molecule, mixtures and compounds. Uses of compounds. Salt is a compound used for preservation and seasoning of food. Sugar is used for the flavoring. Water is also a compound made up of oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Carbon dioxide is made up of carbon and oxygen, and it is filled in soda bottles, without which the drinks become flat. Sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, is used for making of cakes, bread. Washing soda is used in detergents for washing purposes. Uses of mixture. Water is also a mixture of different mineral salt, calcium, magnesium, sodium. Air is a mixture of different gases, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and oxygen. Ice cream is a mixture of milk, sugar and artificial flavors. Milk itself is a mixture of water, fats, proteins and carbohydrates. Salad is a mixture of different fruits and vegetables. Now let us see what are the methods of mixture separation. There are four methods of separation of mixtures: filtration, sublimation, distillation and paper chromatography. Filtration is a method in which we use a filter paper or filter cloths to separate insoluble solids of a mixture from a liquid. Sublimation is a process in which a solid on heating directly changes into gas or vapor state. We can use this process to separate the two components of a mixture if one component has the property of sublime. Mixtures can be separated with another method called distillation if the components of the mixture have different boiling point. So distillation is the method by which two or more liquids in solution are separated by boiling off the liquid with a lower boiling point and condensing it in another container. Chromatography is the separation of colored chemicals. It works because some components of a mixture are more soluble than others. In paper chromatography, special paper is used to separate the color components in a mixture. Chromatography only works for soluble dyes like in food and pen. Chemicals that are more soluble, they travel fast and are separated earlier. The first question is to write down the uses of compounds and mixture. First of all, you will write down the heading uses of compounds and mixture. Water is a compound used in home, industries, and agriculture. Table salt is used to preserve food and pickles. Carbon dioxide is a compound used in manufacture of bread and filled in soda bottles. Uses of mixtures. Sherbet is a mixture of sugar, water, and salt. Salad is a mixture of different vegetables such as onion, radish, beet, and carrot. Ice cream is a mixture of sugar and flavors. Next question is to define the following terms. Filtration. Filtration is a method in which we use a filter paper or filter cloth to separate insoluble solids of a mixture from a liquid. Sublimation. The process in which solid on heating quickly changes into gas or vapor state is called sublimation. Distillation is the method by which two or more liquids in a solution are separated by boiling off the liquid with lower boiling point and condensing it in another container. Chromatography is the separation of colored chemicals. In paper chromatography, special paper is used to separate colored components in a mixture.